we have a package. It is the brand new Apple Watch Ultra 2 with the Alpine Loop in indigo color. Let's take a look. So here we have the instruction manual showcasing some of the bands. I have always really liked the way that the Alpine Loop looks. It's to me the absolute best looking band next to the Ocean band for the Apple Watch Ultra. The trail loop is comfortable and all, but I do not think it looks as beautiful as the other two. So let's take a look at the band first. I will carefully open it. Like so. Oh yeah. This is the color I have been waiting for. Let's do the same with the watch. Bit surprised that these are able to be opened like this. On a lot of other products you can only rip it. Anyway, here we have the watch. This shouldn't be much of any news for anyone, as it looks exactly the same as the Apple Watch Ultra 1 or first generation. Here we have the watch. Let's put on the Alpine Loop in indigo color. Let's see if I can take it out here without ripping the box. This is the large version. My wrists are 180 millimeters in circumference. So let's see how that looks. Oh, I accidentally turned it on, no problem. It actually feels a lot softer than I remembered. I did try the green Alpine Loop on the Apple Watch Ultra Generation 1, and I didn't really feel that it was that soft compared to a sport loop. Maybe I'm not remembering correctly, or this is slightly softer. It feels very comfortable, and I do like how this G-hook comes up a little bit on the edge here, so it isn't centered below my wrist. When I work, I don't want it to bang onto things. This is the way the Indigo Alpine Loop looks. Just stunning. Let me bring out my iPhone 14 Pro Max and we can see if the colors match any at all. So here we have my iPhone 14 Pro Max in the purple color. I must say that they do match quite well in reality. I'm not sure how well this comes out on the camera. I am indoors, but it's lit by mainly daylight, so the colors aren't really as warm as they could be. Maybe I should go caseless now on this phone, just as it has passed out of warranty and all. So let me know below, let me know below in the comments what you think about this color combination, and if you can actually match these two. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you have enjoyed watching this video. And I'll see you in the next one.